So I just got this in the mail and I want to do a quick unboxing of a new Playmat I ordered from a website called Custom Envy. Now this is not a sponsor in any way. I'm not working with them to promote their website or this Playmat, but this is my first Playmat for dueling. I've never used one before and I decided to, go above and beyond and design my own. So this is what we got in the mail, and now we're gonna see whether or not the print came out good. Here we go. Oh, that looks pretty badass. Beautiful. So this is a Playmat, and also obviously for the computer, a little mouse pad. So I could use that for both if I wanted to. And like I said, I designed this myself. Let's see if the card zones are big enough. So I did make them, it looks like a bit smaller than they're supposed to be, but does it work? I mean, not too bad, but they are a little smaller than they should be. So I'm gonna take that into consideration. All in all, it looks like it could work. Yeah, not perfect, but I think if it was maybe just a little bit longer, I would like it a bit more. This is smaller than the current mouse pad that I'm using. The card zones need to be bigger, but it looks like about an inch. So they're about maybe a ½ inch short on both sides. But all in all, looks pretty badass. The color is good. Maybe it looks a little faded on the camera because of the bright lights. Now this picture wasn't, extremely HD when I got it. I did add some noise and some like dust and speckle to it to kind of cover up some of the artifacts of the image. So everything that's blurry looks great. The face does have a bit of those JPG or PNG artifacts that you get when you have a picture that's like small and then zoom it out. You get a little bit of a pixelation and distortion. So it does have that, but that was in the original image. And I knew I was okay with it. I was hoping that the fabric of this cloth would also mask that a little bit, but I guess it doesn't. I guess the printing is so good that really what was in the picture is exactly what you see here. So all in all, this cost me about $19 plus shipping. I think I paid a total of like 25 bucks. So for that, I can say I'm pretty happy with it. The new Playmat, ready to go. We got the extra deck, the field zone, the graveyard, the banish section, extra monster zones, everything we need. Our pendulum zones are right here. So yeah, everything we need. I don't like that this is a little too close to this border here, and this is, has a bit more of a gap. I kind of wish maybe the colors were a bit more vibrant. There was a bit more pink and purple in this picture, and that kind of turned into a little bit of white. But all in all, like I said, what I wanted got printed exactly as I had it on the computer, even with all the flaws, which now I know for next time I'll have to fix those in Photoshop. But yeah, with a better image, maybe one that I designed myself, we can start selling some Playmats. And now I know the card zones have to be just a little bit bigger. But all in all, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, subscribing, for supporting us.